Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Netflix app crashing on Android. The first and foremost thing that you can do is head over to settings on your device, tap on apps, tap on Netflix, tap on storage and cache, and then clear the storage and cache of Netflix on your device, as corrupt cache may cause the program to crash. The other thing that you must do is head over to settings on your device one more time, head over to storage and make sure that you have at least 2 to 3 GB of free storage space. If not, then delete any unnecessary apps, videos, games or images from your device. The other thing that you need to try is head over to your app drawer, look for Netflix, long press on Netflix, hit uninstall and then perform a clean install of Netflix, which may cause the app to reset to its factory settings and not crash. You must also check your device update settings, head over to settings on your device, tap on system updates and make sure that your system is updated to the latest version if not updated. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.